Hello guys, hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. We're returning to you in a new video which is talk about how you dealt any program or anything from the root on PC or laptop. Of course, on Windows it is probably for the two Windows 7 and 10, and it is easy way and it is steps. So we go here to the Steam. If rather than you dealt it like this, no, you cannot do it because it is not will work, of course, because it is stay in the PC. Of course, now we go to the control. Now we're gonna go to the control panel, of course, and we go to this category, large icon, of course, and we go and search for program and features, of course, and we go and we shows which program we want to install. Of course, here for me is Steam. I click on install and we shows yes, and this is how we do it. Install, of course, it is deleted from the roots and from the basics, and this is the most good way to delete a program. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more information from zero and in easy steps. Of course, everyone take care, and I see you in the next video. And excuse my English, it is not very good, but I hope you did enjoy and solve the problem. Take care everyone, and bye bye.